Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cream of coconut. First, gather your ingredients. 113. 5-ounce can of full-fat, unsweetened coconut milk and 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. You'll also need a medium saucepan and a whisk. This easy method creates a rich, versatile cream perfect for many uses. Let's get started with combining these simple items. Now pour the entire 5-ounce can of full-fat coconut milk into your saucepan. Add 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. Place the saucepan over low heat and whisk continuously. The goal is to gently warm the mixture until all the sugar completely dissolves, creating a smooth, uniform liquid. Remember, avoid boiling to maintain the best texture. Once the sugar has fully dissolved, remove the saucepan from the heat. Let the cream of coconut cool down completely to room temperature on your counter. This step is crucial for achieving the right consistency. After it's cool, transfer the mixture to an airtight container and refrigerate for at least 4 hours. Chilling allows it to thicken beautifully. Your homemade cream of coconut is now ready to enjoy. Store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. It's perfect for crafting tropical cocktails, adding richness to smoothies, or enhancing your favorite desserts. Just give it a good stir before each use, as some natural separation can happen. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.